Hi friends, Bitcoin on the way to $54,500. Wow, oh my god, $54,500. The next thing, Bitcoin's only at $34,500 at the minute, and you're telling us it's going to $54,500? Oh my god, this video therefore is most likely worth watching and hitting like on. We're going to take a look around the cryptocurrency market, see what's coming up for us and where we could be going next, the key areas for support and resistance, and any pivots that might be coming up. Okie dokie, here's the intro clips. This is the time that you can hit like, and it doesn't stop you from watching the content. Honestly, it would help a lot. Please do. I'm shadow banned by the YouTube gods. Wow, we're back in the charts. My name's Rocky Outcrop. Like I say, do lots of stuff on YouTube. So what happened is we talked about cryptocurrency yesterday in the show, and we were saying that Bitcoin could go back down to 34,500. It's where the prices are more or less at the minute. And if we zoom on in a wee bit here so you can actually see the charts, instead of me just talking and having smudges on screen. Yeah, you can see that we've come back down to that 34,500 area, and we didn't take out these prior lows. Fantastic stuff if we want to continue to trend towards the top side. Now, little point of note is that this isn't necessarily local high. We could take out that area and drop down the way. If we actually do take out 34,000, then I'm sad to say, but we could drop another 10% down towards 30 grand. If that were to happen, we're going to want to keep our eye out for if we come in for a higher low, an equal low, or indeed a lower low. If we do again, will we see more of this bullish divergence that we've had on the charts for the last wee while? We're looking to see if we get some positivity off the back of that. It's a warning rather than necessarily a direct buy it now signal, but we've had it a couple of times. Would we need another push at it? I don't know. I'm not going to say so. What I want to say is that if we maintain 34,500, then we're looking up towards that 35,000 area. Your next profit taking target's coming in there at 38,200. Then you're looking up towards the 40,000. The big zone for us is between 38,000 and 42,000. Break past that, and then maybe we're on our way towards that headline. Now, there are a lot of areas up above. What I'm really looking at here in terms of the broader term time frame is to say, from that high down to this low, where do we need to get by before we can start being positive? From that high down to this low, where do we need to get by so we can start being positive? That's coming in there about that 38 grand area, 37,000 for the 236 Fibonacci retracement. So we have to be a little bit patient on that front. Cool. Continuing on the way, therefore, then we have Ethereum USDT. We'll just take a look at this real quick. What have we got on the go here? Same sort of story. Do we want to take out levels below, up above? Looking at $2,000 area is very key for us. Let's stay above $2,000. We need to take out the 2,220 area. That's exactly where the high came in at yesterday. Pats on backs, Rocky. Oh my god, yet another successful technical analysis episode on YouTube. Swear to god, look back through the history. You'll be really regretting not having tuned in this channel earlier on. Bah, brain explosion stuff happening over here. $220. Can we push past the 2,400 area? I'm not going to get super excited on Ethereum until we have actually done that. Again, same sort of story then. From the highs down to those lows, what roughly are we looking at? Well, until we're past 2,400, not getting too excited. Targets towards the top side really come in there about 30, the mid 3,000 area. So plenty of scope for upside travel, but we really need to be aware of key areas. 2,500 representing a 90% retrace since the last drop down that we had is going to be very, 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 very key in the next wee while. But of course, as well, if we take out that $2,000 area, we're looking for a higher low, could come in at around about 1,800 again. That's fairly likely. Continuing on with this little run through the cryptos and jumping into Chainlink here. How are we doing for time? Doing all right. Great, nice one. So the same thing. Yeah, we've had a little bit of resurgence and positivity, and when we hit off the 15 area, could this turn into a descending triangle? We hope that not to be the case. Finding support above the 50 simple moving average here in the 4-hour time frame is very, very good. The current price is 18. Yes, well, we did push up towards 20 yesterday. We were talking about that. Need to maintain 20 over a longer period of time. If we take out $23, $24, then we are doing very much. Thanks, Mum. That's my mum over there. I love her very much. I'm not afraid to say it. Mum, I love you. Nice to see you, by the way. Right. Anyway, so 23. She's not impressed. $23 towards the top side is what we need to see. $24. Take that out, and we're starting to head up towards 33. At the minute, $20 key area, key inflection. Looking for that higher low right now. We could be getting it in around about 18. If we drop down the way, then 15. Very scary because 13, 10, and then 7, and then 4 are your targets thereafter. Now, Tesla's USDT over here, on the other hand, has also been doing really fairly well. Really okay. Recently, it's come up towards $3. It's pulled back down to 280. It's above that 18 period simple moving average. Same concept here, right enough. Yes, well, if we top up towards 340, that'd be nice. I'm keeping a closer eye on 333, all the threes, because that'll be that that 90% pullback, then we can actually start to trend towards the top side, looking for that higher low. We have a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, but a higher low could come in anywhere. If we see 250 being supported, that's obviously fantastic. Continuing on up the way, the targets actually start kicking in at really nice levels. I am looking up towards $4.50 and $5 on this one, and then even higher. I do think that we do have the potential for a turnaround in the crypto markets here just now, but I'm really keenly paying attention to those levels. As you can see, the story is the same across all of those cryptos. It's pretty clear when you understand how the markets are working. What's it going to be? Oh, look at that bullish divergence on those lows. Oh, look at that, possibly not quite got the momentum towards the top side in the MACD. Possibly could be putting in hidden bearish divergence on the RSI if things were to take out prior levels. Same across the board. That's your story of crypto. Thanks very much for tuning in. I will see you in another episode sometime. Join me for a live because they're really freaking good, and I'm away off to take a look at the stocks now that the markets have opened. Thanks again. See you in the next one.